Hello, and if you want to get better at walls in Gorilla Tag, then you clicked on the right video. I will be going through every good thing, how to get better at walls, everything. By the end of this video, you will be pretty good at walls. But I will say, one thing is you do have to practice. I'll be going on a lot of mechanics on the walls to help you. So, yeah, into the video. If you don't know how to do walls, I will teach you how to do walls. But if you already know how to do walls, I will get onto that later into the video. So first, if you're on ground and you're new, first off, and you want to wall climb super badly, when you want to come to this wall. This is my favorite wall, and you want to go right here to this corner, like this, and you want to hold one hand out and the other one kind of sideways, and you want to jump pretty high. And you want to just go to the other wall, but kind of go upwards. And you want to go slow, because it is hard first. And the more practice you do, the better you'll get. Trust me, it does take a lot of practice. I'm with you. But anyways, on to the next step. If you want to wall run, what you want to do is you want to jump really high onto the wall, like pretty high. And again, practice a lot. It does take a long time. It took me forever. It took me ages to do this. So yeah, just practice a lot. But you want to jump high onto the wall, and you want to have your hand kind of tilted and jump onto the wall. And you don't want to go too fast or too hard. And you want to go up and sideways. And the more you do it, you'll get better at it. So yeah, just keep practicing. I believe you. Next up, I'm going to teach you, if you already know how to do balls. First up, I'm going to teach you how to get better at Lucio running, because I see a lot of players get stuck on Lucio running, and it's pretty hard, even for me, sometimes. But you first want to get on the wall, and what I do is I have this hand in front of me, and this hand behind, and you just want to like do this motion, but like you want to angle it at the wall until you get something like this. You will get better and better the more you practice. So keep practicing and you'll get better and better. Next up is verticaling, and verticaling can be pretty hard for a lot of people, but what I do is I go onto the wall, and I usually go to this wall, so I try and get really high on this wall, and once you're on this wall, then you want to go really high up, and you want to tilt your hand more like that, more sideways, but not too far like that. Don't go too far, just barely tilt it, and you want to go, and you just kind of want to spam. And at some point, you can add this hand by pushing down until you get something like this. And the more you practice that, the better you'll get at it. So keep practicing, and I believe you. Anyways, that's the end of my teaching, and I'm gonna go show you how it works in public lobbies.
Go run! Oh, you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
I'm scared.
Gosh, damn it. Can't wall climb for shit.
Dun dun dun. Beautiful.
Of course you have the wings. No, curse this pixelated monkey game.
Well, you're playing it also, so.
Oh my
That's a
god.
game, Chris.
Sure, buddy.
You're racist, Green! You're racist! Get Green! Get Green!
And
Get Green!
What
Get him!
Green's racist.
do you mean?
Green's racist to Caucasians.
Oh no.
Because he won't let me tag you.
What?
I'm just
Cheater,
joking.
cheater, cheater.
Just joshing. Just joshing.
I don't even have to. I already know it's not here. Wait, gang, I gotta grab you from
Hey.
I'm sorry.
You're the only one that can get him, Indigo. You can wall climb.
It's over here. No! Why am I actually fumbling? I got this. 6.
Good job. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this helped you out. And have a great rest of your day, and peace out.